Namaskar. Welcome to this segment of Semi-Classical. Today in this segment we are going to learn part 4 of Mohe Laal. So we ended up in this position. Okay? Tag, nag, tat, thai. Now from here, the stanza starts. Marodi kalai. So what you have to do is take the left hand, make a mushti, mudra, and the other hand, just a relax hand, and as if somebody is twisting it, you have to just turn back. Okay, so my right foot is back and left foot is in front, right? So I'm just turning back and facing back. Okay, so now from your right hand, so this hand with your left hand, there is no movement. With the right hand, what we are going to do is we are just going to move it upwards and turn. Okay, this way. So how many times? It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So marodi kalai tune. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little faster, okay? Then the second times the same line repeats. Marodi kalai tune. Okay? So now what we are going to do is take your hand, right hand in front, okay, and also my left foot is going to join my right foot, and this as if somebody is pulling you. My left foot is going to join the right. Okay, so it's very quick. 1, 2, turn back. Okay, so as if somebody has again twisted you, because the same line repeats. So you're here, marodi kalai tune. Okay, so right shoulder down, left shoulder down, as if you're trying to just take your hand back. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Okay, now we are going to walk forward, right, left, and right shoulder round, left shoulder round. So when you are doing this, make sure that this hand you're trying to basically how you can say, just you are going to take it off from the other person's hand. Okay, so make sure that this everything happens with connected to this hand. So marodi kalai tune. Okay, now we are going to turn kalai. Okay, take it in and drop it. With the feet, what we are going to do is, so you're here, left foot forward, in and drop. Okay, actually make the palm face that side. So it's going to be 1, 2. Okay, and then with your right hand you're just going to turn it the other way around, so exactly opposite. So you previously you turned it towards the right, now you have to turn it towards the left. What you're going to do with the legs is 1, 2. Okay, then here, see, I am taking my left hand down and right hand up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Chudi chattakai. You have to do 1, 2. So marodi kalai tune chudi chattakai itra. So for that you are going to take your right foot forward and cross and turn. And with hand, you're just going to take a circle this way. All right? You ended up over here. Now from here, we are just going to go back with the right foot or left foot. Left, right, just 2 steps. Okay? Very quickly. As if you want to show that nobody's watching. Huh? So this is actually you're doing the hero's part or the Nayaka's part. Okay, so you're going to do 1, 2, and with the left hand, left foot, you're going to take a turn diagonally, and as if you're taking or hugging your heroine. Okay, this. So the wording goes like this: chori se. Huh? So you can use 3 steps. Chori se galwa lagai. Okay, now Hariye chunariya. The next one is. So you are going to use the left foot, left hand, and show the chundri or the scarf. Okay. With the foot, what we are going to do is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. With the left hand, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, as if you're showing the design. Hari means actually green, so we don't know how to show that. So we are going to just show the design. Okay, so hari, ye, chunariya, jo. Okay, so you ended up on your right. I'm going to turn back for the next part because it's a little bit complicated. Okay, so we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Jhatke se. Now see, my left foot is going on toe, big toe, which is Suchi in Bharatanatyam. Okay, now we are just going to, you can use this mudra, however is comfortable for you to hold the chinne. Okay, so this way is also fine. I'm just going to use Kapitha. 1, okay, as if you are taking it 1 and 2 and 3. Now 1, 2, 3, as if you pulled it and somebody means your hero, has actually taken it. Okay, so you ended up over here. Jhatke se chheeni. Okay, now the music comes. Tididing, 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 tididing. So what you're going to do is, with your left foot, you're just going to go back, and the right foot has to be on your left shoulder. 1, 2. As if you are kind of shy and angry at the same time. Angry means not angry, but it's like a fake angry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Look at him, and then just move the shoulder. Like, I'm not going to talk to you. Go like that. Okay, so you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tididing, 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 tididing. And then you have Hari Ye Chunariya again. Okay, so for that we are going to repeat the same action. Hari Ye Chunariya Jo Jhatke se Chini. Okay, then to the left corner. मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग. So basically all what he is doing, the Hari or the Sham or the Krishna, you are loving it, but you are just showing it that you don't like it. Okay, so you ended up over here. Now we are going to go with the right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This time it's not the cross, it's in the front. Okay, and with the hand, what you're going to do is मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग. All right, so with the song it comes like this. मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग. Okay, so you ended up over left side. मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग. Now we are just going to turn this way. So you finished it on your left foot forward. From your right, you're just going to turn. Okay, this way. Laaj se. Okay, you're going to look at him while doing this. I'm just showing it to you. But laaj se gulabi gaal. So go back, front. So don't do this because our cheeks are only this much. So yeah, people do that. So just go back, forth, and round, as if you're blushing. So this will go like लाज से गुलाबी गाल. Okay, मोहे रंग दो लाल, and you ended up over here. So now our sequence is completed already. So now before all of you start commenting, we have already done this with the music, and I will link that over here, the particular video with the music, and in the description box below, as well as the part 1, part 2, part 3 also linked in the description box below. So check that before you start learning this. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, do share it with your all dancer friends. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.